The anatomy of a note. The little circle thing we call the note head, and the note head can either be filled in or not filled in. And then you can have a stem on that note. That's this upward line that comes from a note. You can put a flag on that note head as well. Notes also may have dots associated with them. What dots do is they add back half the note's value. So if you have a quarter note and you dot it, you would have 1.5 quarter notes, or something that takes the duration of 3/8 notes. Since a quarter note has 2/8 notes in it, if you dot it, it has 3/8 notes in it. A dotted half note would be 3/4 notes long. Because a half note is 2/4 notes long, a dotted half has 3/4 notes in it. So we can imagine it like this, where if you're dividing up dotted half notes, there would be 3/4 notes in each of them. Now what would happen if we would put two dotted half notes together? We would get dotted whole notes. Now what happens if we put two whole notes together? Think about this for a second, because if you put two whole notes together, you would get a brev, but if you put two dotted whole notes together, you get a dotted brev.